Welcome to the Own Your Family, where real stories and proven formulas are shared about leaving the rat race so you can achieve freedom and spend more quality time with your family. Get ready, mompreneurs and dadpreneurs, to get inspired by earning from home, living healthy, and aspiring for more in life with your hosts, Renat and Katrina.
Remember what Robert Kiyosaki said: in order to move to the right side, the B and I quadrants maintain a long-term vision and plan. So what does that mean? It simply means they have created long-term financial goals that are achievable, measurable, and have a deadline. How to create financial goals to achieve financial freedom as a family. Hi guys, it's Katrina for Own Your Family. In this episode, I will be talking about what strategies can you start implementing in your family so that you can achieve your desired financial goals. In the previous episode, I shared with you the 3 steps that, according to Robert Kiyosaki, will move you to the right side of the Cashflow Quadrant. The Cashflow Quadrant shows us how people earn their income in 4 different ways. And the goal is to transition over to the B Quadrant, or the business owner, and the I Quadrant, or the investor. Remember what Robert Kiyosaki said: in order to move to the right side, the B and I quadrants maintain a long-term vision and plan. So what does that mean? It simply means they have created long-term financial goals that are achievable, measurable, and have a deadline. Of course, there is no such thing as one size fits all in achieving financial independence. Every person is different in terms of their situation in their career, relationship, and environment. Every person has his or her own unique definition of financial independence as well. Some are happy to be able to spend time with their family and raise their kids while running a business and, without having to go to work. And some define financial independence as having multiple streams of income and diversified assets. On the other hand, there are very few people out there who want to rule the world like those big tech companies. Definitely not me, but I'm absolutely happy spending time with my family and kids and being able to help people reach their health and financial goals. So yes, what about you? What does financial freedom mean for you? Comment down below. So when it comes to what approach to take in achieving your financial goals and independence, it really depends on your situation, your personality, and how long can you stick to your strategies. Because sticking with your strategies, no matter what it takes, regardless of what is on the TV or media, what your friends or family say, or what financial salespeople say to you you should do, is extremely important to achieving your financial goals. So when it comes to what specific approach or strategy should you take in order to reach your financial goals, there's so many out there. There's the Dave Ramsey's 7 baby steps. There's the FIRE method, which stands for financial independence, retire early, and so much more. The question is, which one works best for you and your situation? The first thing you need to do is to know your destination? What is the ideal life you want to create for yourself and your family or loved ones? What do you need in financial terms to get there? Don't be afraid of making big goals. Go big or go home, baby. Second, create a plan. Next, you will need to map out a plan for your destination. Why? Because a goal without a plan is just a wish. Your plan may need to revise along the way as you encounter new or unexpected situations. Let's say your family is growing or you move to a different location. And you should always write it down and share it with a good friend or mentor who believes in you. This will help hold you accountable when you lose your way, which will surely happen from time to time. Third, do at least one small step every day. Now that you've got those manageable goals, make sure you work on them regularly. Develop a habit of accomplishing at least one task each day that moves you toward your end goal. Remember the old saying that goes like, watch your actions, they become habits. Watch your habits, they become character. Watch your character, they become your destiny. Fourth, make it a habit to learn something new. Keep increasing your financial intelligence every day. Most CEOs read a book a week. One book a week. Imagine how much you'd learn if you committed to just read one book a month. I would suggest listening to our book summaries. We make regular book summaries in areas like finances, personal development, lifestyle, and family relationships. So go check them out on our website. Remember, the more you learn, the more your confidence will soar, and that will keep you motivated and creative. Lastly, build your network. Your network will consist of those people in your life who encourage you and understand and support your goals. But be sure to choose wisely, because your network will either bring you up or bring you down. Motivational speaker Jim Rohn firmly believes that the 5 people you spend the most time with shape who you are. I personally believe in my heart that it is possible to achieve financial freedom with your family using the right financial goals and strategies. If you want to start your journey to time freedom and get updates on our most recent episodes and podcasts, sign up for your free account at www.ownyourfamily.com. See you soon and enjoy your day.
Thanks for listening. Join our online family by signing up for your free account at www.ownyourfamily.com and begin your journey to freedom. Want to get there faster? Book a strategy call with us at ownyourfamily.com/book a call. As always, be sure to leave a rating and subscribe to our podcast and channel so you never miss a future episode.